Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Whitney here. Now this video is one where I feel like I owe you guys because I have done my top 5 favorite drugstore red and nude lipsticks in the past, but this is the only video that has been slacking behind, and I apologize for that. But yo, let's be real, okay? It's really hard to find a perfect pink shade that's going to suit us women of color without having to apply a lip liner or any of that sort, because let's be real, majority of these brands come out with shades that are created for women of lighter skin tone, so it's really hard to find something that suits us. So whenever I do find a pink tone lipstick that suits my skin tone, I literally just hold on to it. Now I'm still on the lookout, but these are the ones that I've been loving lately, so let's jump straight into the video. Now the first lip product on my list is not a lipstick, rather it is a lip shine or a lip topper, as most of you may like to call it, and it is from Nivea. I do have two. The first one is their cherry shine and the second one is the watermelon shine. I would describe the cherry shine as a berry tone lip color, whereas the watermelon shine is more of a soft, subtle, playful pink. Now I love wearing these lip toppers either on its own or in conjunction with a matte lipstick. That way I can turn it into a lip gloss and it just looks amazingly well. Now I usually wear these lip toppers especially when I don't want anything too serious on my lips, but I do want them to have a lot of moisture and also to have a little bit of a tint. This is where I reach out to these two toppers. They're really nice, really inexpensive, and yeah, you guys should check it out in case you haven't already. The next lipstick, and this one is actually a lipstick, it is from Maybelline from the Creamy Matte collection in the shade Lust for Blush. Now guys, this entire collection, the formulation of this collection is so beautiful. It just glides on your lips so smooth. The best way I can describe the formulation of this product is literally like butter on toast. It just glides on and it is super duper pigmented at the same time. Now this does give you a semi-matte finish, however though it does transfer, which I'm not mad about, because for the retail price of $2.99 I think this is a really good start for a drugstore lipstick. The next lipstick on my list is from Nykaa, and this one is in the shade Cher. Now I have spoken about this lipstick before, and every time I wear this lipstick I get so many compliments. This lipstick is a very bright neon pink shade, which is best suited for anyone who is fair to the deepest of the deepest. This lipstick would look phenomenal on any skin tone. However, this lipstick is very matte, so you will need to apply a nice thick layer of Vaseline or lip balm before you apply this lipstick. But however though, this lipstick is good. It is good. Now another thing that I do love about this entire collection is that the shade that you see on the top over here is exactly the shade that you see on the product. You guys see how identical these two things are right here? It's really good. So that way, whenever you are looking for a lipstick, you don't have to open it up to check whether it's a lipstick you want. You can just look at the outer packaging and there you go. And another thing about it is that it does have this magnetic thing over here, so whenever you're just, you know, in a hurry and you just want to close it and drop it in your bag, you don't have to worry about the top being somewhere else and this part being somewhere else. So yeah, it's a really good lipstick. I really like it. Now just in case you're not able to get your hands on this particular product for whatever reason, I do have a dupe for you guys, which is from Miss Claire in the shade 39. Now this is the exact same shade to the T. The only difference is that this is a liquid matte and that is a bulletin matte, and this has a little more sheen to it, whereby that is a pure matte, but the pigmentation and the color are the same. The next one on my list is yet again from Nykaa, and this is from their Matte to Last collection in the shade Begam. Now if you guys have been watching my videos for some time, you guys know that I always rave about this one particular product because it's just so good. I can't help it, okay? The lipstick is super duper pigmented. It does apply really smoothly on your lips and dries down matte. And when it dries down matte, you don't even feel like you're wearing lipstick. It does last a good 6 to 7 hours on your lips without budging, and I'm not mad. It's a really good lipstick. Now, I would describe this lipstick as a pink grape shade. Now, I know that's not a really good description, but that's exactly what this lipstick looks like. It's just so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. Now, last but not least is one of the lipsticks that I've been wearing quite a lot lately, and it's one of my newest purchases, and it is yet again from Maybelline, from the Superstay Matte Ink collection, and this is in the shade Heroine. Now, this lipstick is smudge proof and kiss proof. Now, I must also admit that while taking it off, it is a little bit hard, but there's nothing that a wet wipe cannot solve. But however, though, even at that, I still love this lipstick. It's really good, really pigmented, really rich in color, and yeah. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. In case you did, don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and family, your brother, your sister, your aunt, because let's be real, you don't know who this video is gonna help out there. Also, don't forget to comment down below what are some of your favorite pink lipsticks, because since I'm on a hunt, I would like to know, and also your comment might help someone out there as well. Don't forget to join the fam by subscribing and turning on that bell notification so you can be the first one to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.